Hi, fifth graders. This helper video is going to walk you through a one-step equation with an unknown. And we're using emojis for our unknowns today. You can see I have my little cow here. And an unknown a variable is just some sort of symbol or letter that means a number that we've got to try to figure out. We don't know what that number is. That's our goal in algebra, is to solve for that unknown. So you can see in this question, I'm trying to solve for cow. We're trying to figure out what number cow is. And so I have cow plus 6 equals 13. Well, think back to learning about inverse operations. We can use the opposite of addition to figure this out, all right? I know that I have to have something plus 6 to get my total of 13. If you think back to even first, second grade with those math mountains, our total is 13. We have 6 on one side. We're trying to figure out what can we add to 6 to equal 13. Well, this is a very simple one, and I made it very simple on purpose because then you can easily see the process. But if I couldn't just quickly add up in my head 6 plus what equals 13, I could do the opposite. Instead of adding 6 plus our unknown to get 13, I could go backwards and take 13 minus 6. That's my inverse operation for addition, is subtraction. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So that has to be our unknown, but I always want to double check. 7 plus 6, if I do that in my head, that's pretty easy. That equals 13. So what is cow? Cow is 7. And so cow equals the number 7. Okay, we're going to do one more. Let me refresh quick. And I'm going to add a second problem that I have ready to go. It's going to be another simple one. You see that I have, I'm playing blue. I have a new unknown. This time the unknown is a hamburger. Now the symbol in there can be really anything you want. Typically we're going to use letters, which we'll get to in the next few lessons, but we have this hamburger. So I'm trying to figure out what number is hamburger. So hamburger minus 5 equals 6. So I'm thinking about what number do I take away 5 from to get to 6. All right, so in this case, if we think about our math mountain, we don't know what that total is, but we do know that 5 is one of our numbers and 6 is one of our numbers, all right? Because we have something, we're going to take away 5. We're going to take away 5, which would get us over to 6. So I can use the inverse operation here, right? If we're subtracting here, I just work backwards. And the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So I could take 6 plus 5, which gets me 11. So my answer is 11. Let's try it. 11 minus 5 is 6. So it's that simple. Don't let the symbols throw you off. You're just trying to find what number you would replace that unknown for.